How to invest $1,000 and turn it into $10,000. Welcome back to the Money Navigator. Today, we'll be exploring how to invest $1,000 and potentially turn it into $10,000. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more valuable finance content. Let's dive in. Part 1. Starting with a plan. Before we begin, it's important to remember that investing always carries risks. There are no guarantees, but by following proven strategies, you can increase your chances of success. The first step is to create a plan that considers your risk tolerance, investment timeline, and financial goals. Part 2. Diversifying your investments. One of the key principles of investing is diversification. Spreading your $1,000 across different asset classes and sectors can help reduce risk and increase potential returns. Some options to consider include stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, and real estate investment trusts, REITs. Part 3. Investing in index funds and ETFs. Investing in low-cost index funds and ETFs can be a great way to grow your money. These funds are designed to track the performance of a specific market index, such as the S&P 500. By investing in a broad market index, you gain exposure to many companies, which can help reduce risk and provide steady returns over time. Part 4. Finding high-growth stocks. Identifying high-growth stocks can be a powerful strategy to multiply your investment. Look for companies with strong fundamentals, innovative products, and a growing market share. While these stocks can be more volatile, the potential for significant gains is higher.
Part 5. Dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging is a strategy that involves consistently investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of market conditions. This approach can help you build your investment over time while reducing the impact of market fluctuations on your portfolio. Part 6. Reinvesting dividends. Reinvesting dividends is another way to grow your investment. By using dividends to purchase additional shares, you can benefit from the power of compounding, which can help you reach your $10,000 goal faster. Part 7. Be patient and stay the course. Finally, remember that growing your investment takes time. Stay disciplined and stick to your plan, even during market downturns. With patience and persistence, you can maximize your chances of turning $1,000 into $10,000. That's it for today's video on how to invest $1,000 and turn it into $10,000. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.